Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Falcon Ridge. It's owned by Harmony Homes and is located in Las Vegas, Nevada. And today we are going to feature this model home residence unit number 3, 1,480 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2 car garage. The good thing about this community is they are going to give you 5% incentives towards closing costs and to buy down the rate. And also, they are going to pay for the HOA during the first year. All the stainless steel appliances is included, and this is gated, and there's a park inside the community. So welcome to the residence number 3. So welcome to residence unit number 3. As soon as you get in, you will see this nice foyer. On your left, you will see the coat closet here, and next to it is the washroom. This is the laundry area. This side right here is your laundry area. And this side right here, this is the powder room. It comes with a pedestal sink. And now let's go check your open layout area. You're looking at your living room. Very nice, very spacious. Love that blue color wall. Right this side is your kitchen. You'll see that massive island in the middle with a single stainless steel sink. Looking at your oven, microwave, and also the refrigerator that is included when you purchase the house, and dishwasher on this side right here. Let's check all the cabinets with soft close, and they are soft close. Right here is your walk-in pantry. Spacious. Okay, now let's head to the second floor and check all the bedroom upstairs. Right as you walk in, you will see a coat closet. And this is a little nook over here. This is perfect for a study room if you have kids. This is the first bedroom. A nice spacious room. I love that wall. Very cute. Right this side is the standard closet. Okay, let's go to the next room. There's another bedroom over here. It's a nice size. And a standard closet. And across the room there is a full bathroom, a shared bathroom with dual sink vanity. nice tub and shower combo. Now I'm going to show you guys the primary bedroom. It's a nice spacious bedroom. Very neat. And let's check your walk-in closet. It's a nice space. And now I'm going to show you guys the primary bathroom. This bathroom features a door, sink, vanity. Love the countertop. Love the cabinets. Here is your stomach shower. Overall, this is a good space for a primary bathroom and bedroom. Again, if you are interested in owning one of the homes in Falcon Ridge, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. Again, if you choose their preferred lender, there is a 5% towards closing costs, and also they buy down the rate. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, share, and like my video. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.